This week we're going to be working on reviewing multiplication with multiple digits. We will go through 2 by 2 digit multiplication, 2 by 3 digit multiplication, and 3 by 3 digit multiplication this week for our review. Same practice applies as we did last week, but I do want to show you a trick with the zeros that some of you learned previous, but it's a good little reminder when you're multiplying by a number with 0, such as in number 1 when we have 53 times 70. And I always like, if a number has a 0 in the ones place, or even if it ends in 2 zeros, I like to start with the digit that you're multiplying by that's not a 0 and put it under the last number of what you're multiplying by, and I say hang the 0. And what I mean by hang the 0 is I hang it off to the side and I just put it there, and it's just a placeholder, and then you're done with the 0 completely. And you can go ahead and move on to 7 times 3. So you have 7 times 3 is 21. Put down your 1, carry your 2. 7 times 5 is 35, plus 2 is 37. And you're done with that problem. Number 1 is 3,710. We're going to move on to number 2, and it's 59 times 29. Okay, we're going to start on the right side. 9 times 9 is 81. Put down your 1 and carry your 8. 9 times 5 is 45, plus 8 is 53. And then we can move on and put down our placeholder. I always like a 0 with an X in it so that I know it's my placeholder and I don't get confused with a number. And I can go ahead and move to 2. And 2 times 9 is 18. Put down your 8, carry your 1. 2 times 5 is 10, plus 1 is 11. And now you can add. 1 plus nothing is 1. 3 plus 8 is 11. Put down your 1, carry your 1. 5 plus 1 is 6, plus 1 more is 7. And 1 plus nothing is 1. You have an answer of 1,711 for number 2. We're going to move down here to number 4, and it's 42 times 24. Okay, same process applies. 4 times 2 is equal to 8. 4 times 4 is equal to 16. Okay, I'm going to put down my placeholder, and I'm going to go ahead to my next number. 2 times 2 is equal to 4, and 2 times 4 is equal to 8. And then I need to simply add. 8 plus nothing is equal to 8. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Put down my 0, carry my 1. 8 plus 1 is 9, plus 1 more is 10. Your answer is 1,008. We're going to move on to number 5, which is 86 times 86. And we're going to start with the same process. 6 times 6 is equal to 36. Put down your 6, carry your 3. 6 times 8 is equal to 48, plus 3 is equal to 51. Okay, I need to put down my placeholder and move to my next digit. 6 times 8 is equal to 48. Put down my 8, carry my 4. 8 times 8 is 64, plus 4 is 68. Okay, now I need to add. 6 plus nothing is 6. 8 plus 1 is 9. 8 plus 5 is 13. Put down my 3, carry my 1, and 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. So your answer is 7,396. We're going to move down to number 7 here. 52 times 33. Process remains the same. 3 times 2 is equal to 6. 3 times 5 is equal to 15. Now I need to add my placeholder. And 3 times 2 is equal to 6. And 3 times 5 is equal to 15. And then I just need to add. 6 plus nothing is equal to 6. 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. Put down your 1, carry your 1. 5 plus 1 is 6, plus 1 more is 7, and 1 plus nothing is 1. So your answer is 1,716. Okay, now that we've completed those problems together, you're going to have 4 problems that you are going to complete on your own. It's going to be number 3, 6, 8, and 9. So you have 3 problems today to complete on your own. When you have finished completing those problems, please make sure you take a snapshot of your work and send it to me either in email or in the chat.